Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a logo for your YouTube channel. Yeah, let's get started. First you should open your browser, either Safari or Google Chrome. I will use Google Chrome and open a new tab and type canva.com. Canva.com is a platform where you can actually create logos, create thumbnail, create a channel art, and do many things. As you can see here, you can make logo, poster, presentation, Instagram, business card, Facebook cover, flyer, and etc. Yeah, one thing that you should do is you should log in with your Google account, and it's very easy to log in. I already logged in, and now you can type here what you want to make. For example, logo. I will search for logo and enter. See, if you search it, and you will see many templates which is already designed, and you can choose one of them and edit very easily if you want. But if you want to make a logo from scratch, you can click here. So I will choose actually a logo from here. Yeah, but you can make your logo from scratch. That's not very difficult, the way you want to design. For example, I want to make a logo for my YouTube channel, for example. I think this one is let me search for a good one. For example, I will choose actually this one. Some of them are not free, you have to buy it, so this is not free. And I will choose this one or this one. This one is free. If you click on that, it will come here. On the left side here, you can actually see the categories of logo. If you want to make a logo for church, you have to choose from this category. If you want to make a logo from an event, you can choose here. And there are many animated logos you can choose here. So yeah, that's it. Here, if you want to change this one, you can delete, select, and you can click here, for example. See, it's gone. If you want to make for example your if you want to upload your photos, you can choose from here. You can go to upload and then upload media. If you want to choose from your PC, I have many photos here, maybe I can choose that, but I'm not gonna choose from here. I will put it this one, and I will change the name of I will put my YouTube channel name, for example, Tech and Mac, and here you can actually delete. So yeah, this is my logo. Once I finished, I will save on my PC, and you can click on download. It's gonna be downloading here, and yeah, that's it. And if you're new here on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any question, any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section. Thank you guys, and we'll see each other in the next video.